It's like, what are they doing? Alright, so this week we worked on a little ultrasonic sensor reading the data and sending it over serial to the serial console. And it's got an accuracy of 3 centimeters to 200-ish centimeters. So it's pretty cool. We tried to see how fast we could poll it, and you can do it pretty quick. We tried about 5 millisecond polling, and depending on how far you are away, because it sends a high signal to the Arduino, depending on how long it takes the sound to come back. We have different sort of pulses from that. You can sort of see it pulsing there. Anything you learned from this, buddy?
Project? Yeah. I learned a few of the code things. That was fun. And they have double quotes in there.
Yeah, they do.
The whole time.
Yes.
Oh my god!
No,
I love
use double quotes when doing strings.
Cool.
I was a little more comfortable wiring everything up since this is the first hardware stuff I've done before. It was last week and this week. And getting in there a little bit better. Yeah, so it was fun to hook something up and it actually worked fairly quickly.
So for later, we're planning probably to do some weather station type projects. So our next week, we're going to be working with the TMP36 temperature sensor, and then we'll probably experiment with light and some other things. What were you saying earlier? To make a little contained weather station.
Yeah, so we're do a barometer, humidity, maybe a few other things.
And we are aware there are weather station Arduino open source projects out there, and, but this is for learning.
We're also going to use the XB stuff for wireless. I'd also like to set up a station that all the data comes to. And you just mount that on the wall, and it's all really fun information.
I've heard of some cool projects, like there was one China open pollution detection system people were doing, where they had a lot of these little self-contained modules, and they would distribute them, and then you could see when pollution was rolling in a particular area because they were wireless and all logging to some centralized service.
That's cool.
So maybe we can do something like that and open source it and make a bunch of Oklahomans build some and distribute them around the state. Alright, that's us. I'm Patrick Oranger.
I'm Buddy Lindsay.
And we'll bring you more of this later.